Okay, we're going to do the cable knit jumper design for this one. So we're using True North from the new winter collection. I've already done my colour coats and I've done top coat and cured. So for this 3D effect, I'm going to use the 3D design powder. So I'm going to take a bit of the colour, just pop it on the mixing plate. I'm going to use my stirring tool to pop some of the powder on with it. And I'm just going to mix it together a little bit at a time so that I don't make it too dry. I can always add a little bit more as I go. I do want it quite dry because I want it thick enough to keep the shape. I don't want it runny and the shape's going to drop before I've cured it. That looks about right. Right, so you can either do this with, I've got the smallest, sort of more of a detailing brush than a striping brush from the set of 4. I've also got the square one just for tidying up a bit, and I quite like the taper point silicone brush for this as well. So I might have a little play with both. I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to start with the 2 straight lines. Just going to pick some product up. And sort of dot it down the length of the nail so that I'm leaving enough product behind, it's not getting really thin. Just pressing it on to the nail. Same on the other side. I'm not too worried about being perfect with this because I'm going to tidy it up. So I'm going to clean my brush. And then I'm just going to come in with the square brush and just neaten up my lines. So they're nice and straight. Now I'm going to add the middle section and go to my silicone brush for this. I mix a little bit more up and I want it just a touch more fluid this time. So I'm going to pick a little bead up on the end of my brush. Just going to apply it at the top and bring it down. Sort of like just a little squiggle. Not too close together or you'll run out of space. Sort of like a little S shape. Clean my brush. And then I'm just going to go back to the square one. I'm holding it this way, not this way. I just want the thin edge. I'm going to come down alongside that line we've already created, and it's sort of pushing these little squiggles together and giving us that extra line. Now I just want that line to go all the way to the top. So I'm going to add a tiny bit more. Like that. Now we've just got our little dots either side. Just going to pick it up and go down the nail. And I just want to make sure I've got the same amount in around about the same places on the other side, because we have to match or it will drive me insane. Just going to wait for them to settle. And then more of a nice dome shape instead of a pointy shape where I've just dropped them. So before I go into cure, I just want to make sure I'm happy with everything. I'm going to tidy up that little line at the top. And that's it. I'm going to pop that in the LED lamp for a minute to cure, 60 seconds rather than 30. And we're done.